Hey guys, how are you doing? Every week I draw a new anime boy and upload the drawing process to YouTube. This time I will draw him from low level angle and with red eyes. I know you have been asking me for tutorials of how to draw a hot anime boy, and I have them ready for you in the description. The beginner level tutorials show you how to draw the outlines step by step. No matter you want to draw a front wheel face, a side wheel face, or 3/4 wheel face. The beginner level tutorials also tell you some basic tricks. For example, how to sketch a draft, what brush to use with what size, and how to draw lines smoothly, etc. The intermediate tutorials focus on how to draw individual facial features, such as anime eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. These tutorials also teach how to draw hair, hands, abs, chest, and arm muscles for anime boys. The advanced level tutorials not only tell you how to sketch the outline, but also show you how to color the anime characters by adding shadows and highlights. Lighting is the most important thing to make your drawing fancy and stand out from other mediocre drawings. Remember, the purpose of shading is to divide big areas of solid colors into smaller pieces to make your drawing sophisticated. So there is no absolute right or wrong of what shapes and shadows or highlights should be. Be brave and follow your heart. It took me 2 years from knowing nothing to my current level in drawing. Hopefully with these 3 tutorial playlists, you can progress faster than me. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.